Welcome to Minexa.ai, the tool that removes the need for scraping libraries, proxies, and headless browsers by handling everything automatically behind the scenes. Today, we'll show how easy it is to scrape companies' registry data with Minexa. Navigate to the opencorporates.com page you want to scrape. Minexa automatically identifies the structure as it appears in the browser, so no HTML inspection or setup is needed. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension to get started. This one simple panel lets you go from web page to structured data instantly. Click the violet button that says I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze the page and detect the company's registry data list automatically. Minexa now goes beyond page 1. It detected the navigation and will handle all pages automatically, so you get the full dataset with no extra effort. Choose List Mode to scrape just the results page, or Detail Mode to also collect data from every page behind each company listing. Click Continue if the data is already visible on the page. Switch to Advanced Mode if you need to trigger actions on the page before scraping. Minexa has highlighted the detected data container. Confirm the selection and click Create Scraper to generate a reusable scraper for this company's registry data. All data fields are ready. Minexa found company names, registration numbers, jurisdictions, and status fields consistent across all pages. Select what you need or click directly on the page to pick additional data points. Developers can click the API request button to get the full Python request code with rendering, retries, and proxy settings pre-configured for this scraper. Validate and complete the configuration. Click Complete Configuration to finalize your scraper for symbol exports or large-scale data extraction. Minexa has detected the Next Page button automatically, so every page of results is in scope. If no pagination applies, you can simply continue to run the scrape. Validate your scraping job and optionally pick a schedule. Minexa can rerun it automatically to keep your company's registry data fresh and up to date. Now, click Run. Every job produces clean, structured data ready for direct ingestion into analytics or ETL systems without extra processing. Take a look at the extracted data rows. Alongside visible fields like company name and registration number, hidden data such as attributes, image URLs, and nested structures are included. All data preserves their original connections, giving you a rich, detailed dataset of global business registry listings. Export your data easily to Excel or JSON. Both formats keep the structure intact, so your data works consistently wherever you use it. Minexa.ai combines crawling, rendering, and extraction in one system, so you never need to assemble or maintain separate tools again for your data projects.